Hey there guys, I'm back again and I'm just now realizing I have gum in my mouth that I literally just put in my mouth, and I'm actually not going to get rid of it because I'm leaving the house, so I want to smell fresh, Anyway, today we are going to unbox the brand new goodie box, and it's the November edition. It's leaflet time. Oh God, no. Okay, so you can have the booklet, but you need to scan the QR code, which I'm not gonna do because I don't have my phone here. It's somewhere over there. I can't see anything because of these lights, but nope. So that means I don't have the prices of these items, guys. I'm sorry. If you really want to know them, look them up online. Okay, next up is your last chance to get your own Goodiebox advent calendar. Not gonna do that either. Now, we're going to rip the paper to shred. Wow, we've got another freaking coupon in here. What the hell's this? This is perfumado.com for perfume for $7.50 off of, I don't know what. The code is Goodiebox. So if you guys like that, use it. Okay, guys, this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, what to start off with? Wait a minute, we were supposed to receive an item. Oh, I think it was this one. This is the Manicador Beauty Lash Extending Primer. This is what that looks like. And we were actually supposed to receive this last month, but it didn't, somehow get in there on time. So they put it in this month's edition. This is what it looks like, and it will basically look like mascara. And I'm not going to open it because I'm going to give this fella away. Speaking about giveaways, make sure to check out my giveaway. We need to reach 600 subscribers in order for me to give away Satchel filled with makeup. And the sooner we reach that, the sooner a brand new giveaway will start. And you guys can help me out by subscribing to my channel, like the video, and comment under the video. It's one of my older videos. Go look it up. Make sure to enter the giveaway. Okay, now let's move on to your Gobe, your Hobe. Lord knows how to pronounce this brand. This is a peeling gel, so basically a scrub. This is what that little sucker looks like. Very excited to give it a try. I actually scrubbed my face today. So next time, I do it about 2 times a week scrubbing, so I'll check it out later in the week. This is from Evoluderm, whatever. Dry and damaged feet. This is a nourishing foot cream. Moisturizes and repairs with shea butter. This is what it looks like, and y'all know the drill. Anytime I get these kind of footsy items, I'm actually going to pass this along to my mom because she has like severe dry feet. So I always want to help her out, and Christmas is coming up, so I'm going to put this in as a little extra great gift for Christmas. Okay, guys, we've got... There we go. 2 more items. One is from Munty. Am I pronouncing that right? This is what it looks like, and it is a beautiful nail polish in the color, what? Grønnegade or something? 10. Okay, so it's Danish, but I have no idea. I butchered that language probably. I'm sorry to all of the Danish people out there. Feel free to correct me. Anyway, nail polish. Very cute color, by the way. Very fall-esque. Very nice. Okay, and the last item in here is from Sandstone. It's an Intense Care Lipstick Special Edition in the color... Oh, wait. Is this like a lip balm situation? Soft Touch. Okay. This is what it looks like. Oh, wow, no, it's not a lip balm. It's actually like a full-blown lipstick. And can we get an applause here? It is not brown. Oh my God, this is amazing. It is pink. I love it. Okay, guys, that is it for this month's edition. I'm sorry I'm kind of rushing through it, but I have places to be, okay? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. No, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we got 5 items, and I honestly really enjoy this box. I'm actually going to use the your Hobe or whatever peel thing. I'm going to use the polish, and I'm going to use the lipstick as well. The Manicador I'm going to do in a giveaway, and the foot thing I would have used had my mom not had, trouble with her feet. So I'm going to give that away as a present to my mom. All in all, I really enjoyed this box. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I will see you guys in another unboxing video. Bye!